Primetime news this evening. $1.3 billion post-hurricane cleanup launched. Energy Minister demands more from JPS despite relief proposal. And PNP supporters stage protest outside the St. Thomas Municipal Corporation.
Good evening and welcome to Primetime News on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Archibald Gordon.
And a special welcome as well to our viewers on TVJ International in the Cayman Islands. I'm Janella Precious. And with a preview of what's to come in business news, here's Andrea Chisholm.
Janella, this evening we're talking about the construction industry, which fell in the first quarter of this year. More on what Stating had to say later in the business day.
And thank you, Chizzy. It's Olympic fever. I was rushing from business news to talk about sports. The big show. Jermaine Brown, what's up?
Thanks, Archie. Temperatures are rising in Paris. Jamaican athletes continuing to arrive in the athletes' village there in Paris. And the J3's officials, they say all is well. So we'll tell you a lot about that a bit later on.
And speaking of high temperature, right? Romain.
We gave him homework.
Oh, right.
Yeah, so
I think he forgot. I don't think he's been. But anyway, Romain, what's coming up in the weather report and forecast?
Thanks, Janelle. Archie's right, I didn't really do the homework. But for this week across the area, we are expecting a tropical wave to be moving into the Jamaica area on the weekend on Saturday. So we should be seeing an increase in hazy conditions and some possible showers and thunderstorms across the area.
But he is going to complete his homework for the weather report and forecast later on. He'll tell you how temperatures are faring in Paris. We'll also have sports commentary and E-Prime in the newscast. But before the break, the feedback question.
This evening we're asking, looking back at Beryl, that's Hurricane Beryl, 4 weeks on, what's the most important lesson you've learned?
You can share your comments online, facebook.com/televisionjamaica, and you can post on X at TVJ News Center.
Please stay with us. Primetime News returns after this break.